The Xiaomi 15 is set to shake up the smartphone market in India. Spotted recently on the BIS certification platform, its launch is now just a matter of time. While Xiaomi remains tight-lipped on the exact date, let's dive into what makes this flagship a game-changer. Starting with the display, the Xiaomi 15 boasts a stunning 6.36-inch LTPO OLED screen, offering a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's perfect for everything from gaming to binge-watching your favorite shows. And with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, expect visuals that pop like never before. Powering this beast is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and an incredible 1 TB of internal storage. The Xiaomi 15 is designed for peak performance, whether it's multitasking, high-end gaming, or capturing memories. Speaking of cameras, Xiaomi goes all out with a Leica-engineered triple 50-megapixel setup on the back. From breathtaking wide-angle shots to impressive telephoto zoom, this phone redefines mobile photography. Selfies are equally sharp with a 32-megapixel front camera, perfect for those picture-perfect moments. The Xiaomi 15 packs a hefty 5,400 mAh battery, ensuring it lasts all day. When it's time to recharge, you'll love its blazing 90-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging speeds. Built with durability in mind, the Xiaomi 15 is IP68 water and dust resistant, and it features an elegant aluminum frame. It also introduces HyperOS 2.0, Xiaomi's next-generation custom software built on Android 15, offering a smooth, intuitive user experience. With these powerhouse specs, Xiaomi is all set to make waves in India. Keep an eye out as official teasers are expected soon. Are you ready for the future of flagship smartphones? Stay tuned for more updates on the Xiaomi 15.